Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Sign into Google, open Google Trends, and pick your country. This ensures relevant regional data. Enter a clear search term and set a time frame. Short windows show spikes, long ranges reveal trends. Once done, switch the search type from web to YouTube or news to focus intent. Make sure to select category if your term is ambiguous. That reduces noise. Start with a single term so you can compare later with a clean baseline. Now refine your query. Add comparison terms to see relative interest. This shows which keywords win in each region. Use the category and search type filters to isolate intent. For example, selecting shopping filters commercial searches. Drill down into subregions to find local pockets of demand, then inspect interest over time and by time of day to spot seasonality or campaign effects. Once you identify patterns, flag rising relation. Finish by exporting the CSV for statistical tools or spreadsheets. This makes it easy to calculate growth rates and correlations. Compare trends insights with your site analytics and keyword tools to validate opportunities before action. Schedule periodic checks, daily or weekly, so you catch new spikes early. If results look flat, troubleshoot. Widen the time frame, broaden keywords, or remove narrow categories. Low volume often means too specific phrases or low search interest, not a tool error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.